Diba? Lami. Tita, para sa unsa man na, tita?
Request ni Jella dahil birthday niya. Gusto niya ng baked potato chicken daw. Ayan. O, sige. Okay. Gustong-gusto niyang gawin yan tagahiwa ng lechon. Kaya, Sar? Bri!
Hi! Happy birthday to the birthday girl! Happy birthday! Birthday girl!
Happy birthday, Gelatin. Okay. Your wish is my command. Kompleto lahat ng food.
Oh, don't show me my food! I'm eating a lot!
It's okay. Happy birthday, Gelatin.